Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar yen monthly, I still think we're very bullish. I definitely don't see any reason to believe otherwise. Maybe this is a wave 5, maybe not. I still think that it needs to go up to the 155, 156 area before we get that bigger push to the downside. So taking it down to the weekly, now like I was saying, I still think it's going up, and one of the most important things for you to see is that it's continuing to make higher lows. Definitely still an uptrend. I do think it needs to clearly take out these highs right here, which is why I do not think that the 78% is going to hold. I think it's going to go at least to the 100%, which puts us all the way up to about 155. Then maybe from that point it will make a big push down, maybe not. Either way, we'll be able to recognize it when it is over. So going to the daily time frame, this thing has been extremely sideways, as you can see, for about 2 weeks now, but trend is definitely still up. No lower high, no breaker structure, no real Fibonacci bounce, no engulfing move to the downside tells me that I'm definitely still looking for longs on the sort of time frames for sure. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I put my Fibonacci out here the other day because I was thinking that maybe it would make a pullback because of the Fibonacci level, which I still think is possible. I still think it is very likely that or possible that it could go down before it does go up. But like I said, on the higher time frames, it just keeps on trending up. So what am I doing? I am definitely looking for pullbacks on I'm looking to go long on pullbacks at the end of every single one of these moves. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we actually had a pretty nice little end of a crescent right here. Kind of a trend looking pattern, but I think that it's actually a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to me, it's a 3, 3, 5 pattern. Kind of looks like a flat to me. So that was actually a pretty nice little end of a crescent. Nice little impulsive move up, nice little break of structure. That would have been an awesome entry to go long. Now, what am I doing? I am either waiting for an exit for a long that I'm already in. I will definitely not be going long right here, but if it does make a pullback, then I would go long at the end of the pullback for the continuation of the uptrend. I am definitely doing nothing but looking for longs on these shorter time frames until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.